Hello friends, I am Dr. Satyam Mandal, a psychologist and mind therapist. Today, we all learn a small and important things from this pandemic or from this small coronavirus. What is that? Yes, health is our wealth. But the problem with our Indian mentality is health could not be our first priority because profession is higher priority than the health. So, what we are suffering today, what we are going through this pandemic, that is the comorbidity factor, is due to this mentality. That is, profession is first, health is second. But this small virus taught us that whatever you may achieve in your life, if you are unhealthy, if you have no health, then there is no value of your achievement, of your power, of your money, of your position, of your success. So, health must be and health should be your first priority. This is the main and vital learning which this small virus has taught us. If you have realized it, then you are going through the right track. If you are not realized about this fact till now, then you may going through or you will face through a very devastating time in near future. So, here my request is, be conscious about your health and give your health as a first priority. So, in this video, we will discuss about the main factor regarding our health, which is our immune system. You might aware about your immune system, the importance and need of the immune system, and this is the need of the hour also. Yes, definitely. If our immune system is strong, then we can make ourselves healthy. That may be physically or mentally. Yes, it may be physically but not mentally. But yes, if you are mentally weak, then your immune system may be weak. Not maybe, it will definitely weak. Yes. So let us discuss what are the factors which are weakening our immune system. First, let us discuss about the factors which are affecting our immune system and make it weak. The number one factor is addiction. In today's time, more than 70% populations are addicted. Which types of addiction? It may be alcohol, it may be smoking, it may be tea, or it may be social media addiction. Addiction in any way is dangerous to our immune system. And one more addiction, that is unnecessary medication. Yes, allopathic medication. Unnecessarily medications. In small things which we can prevent by the natural or home remedies, but we cannot. We are using the medicines. We are using the antibiotics, which are weakening our immune system. So first thing is addiction. Second thing is our food habits. Yes, we are using more fried foods. We are using more packet foods. We may forget about the raw vegetables, fruits, etc. But this is the time. These things are weakening our immune system again. The next thing is our daily routine. Yes, more than 70 to 80% people are not following any routine. We generally do not follow any routine, daily routine, which we are talking about. But this is again weakening our immune system. Next and vital factor is our negative emotions. Yes, are you astonished? No, this is the right thing. Yes, whatever physically you eat, it does not affect that much which you are mentally eating. That means mental diet is much more stronger factor than the physical diet. What you are mentally taking, your anger, your fear, your anxiousness, your jealousy, your resentment, these all factors are affecting our immune system. Next, our cortisol level, which is cortisol means which is our stress hormone. Yes, this is also affecting our immune system. These are the things which are weakening our immune system. Let us discuss how we can enhance our immune system now, or we can make our immune system stronger. If you can analyze all the factors which are affecting your immune system, you can get your answers. Still, let us discuss in some way. First thing is food. Which food? Both physical and mental food. You have to take right physical food with right mental food. That means in your physical food, you add vegetables, raw vegetables, fruits, and simple, no spicy food. In your mental food, add peace, harmony, happiness, smile. Remove all the negative thoughts, that is fear, anger, jealousy, resentment, etc. Next, exercise. Which exercise I am talking about? Again, both physical exercise and mental exercise. In physical exercise, we can add yoga, we can go for gym, we can add cycling, we can add running. Similarly, in the mental exercise, we can start meditation, we can start spiritual prayer, we can start mental practicing. Yes, this is the need of the hour. Next, addiction. In any way, we have to remove all type of addictions. If addiction must be your priority, then you may addict about the reading books. You may make addiction about the reading books, goal planning, working on your goals. Make addiction about that. But do not make addictions of social media, alcohol, nicotine, tea, smoking. Avoid this from your routine. Next, routine. Self-discipline routine is much more necessary. You should know the time of your sleeping. Early to bed, early to rise makes us healthy. We all know about this proverb, but do it. This is the need of the hour. Plan your day before. Take right foods at right time. If you take breakfast at the lunch time, then how you can be healthy? How you can expect from the body if you will put wrong food at the wrong time? So, self-discipline routine is much more necessary. Next, if you are suffering with some small health illness at the primary stage, just try some home remedies, some Ayurvedic remedies, home remedies, before going for the medications, unnecessary medications, because it may damage you more than you ever think. So, please take first step as home remedies. If it will be not solved by the home remedies, then take the medications of allopathic medication. The last thing is maintain cortisol level. That means avoid all the stress factors. I know we all are going through a very tough situation. Our day-to-day life is totally devastating. But it does not mean that we will destroy our life also. To fight with this pandemic, to live our life healthy, to make us more stronger, we have to fight with it. So avoid and delete all the stress factor. It's a very necessary things. If we can follow these simple steps, then definitely we can make our immune system stronger, so that our body is stronger, so that our mind is stronger, and we can live a healthy life. And definitely we can very soon fight with this pandemic, and we will lead a very good life, healthy life, successful life, cheerful life. We will again live our life according to our own way. So take care of your health, because health is wealth, and this must be your first priority. This is the need of the hour. This is the message of this video. So take care of your health. Thank you. Have a good day.